Indians are one of the biggest consumers of pornography and adult content. This is what many statistics that are mentioned on various sites that track this data and even Google searches history tell you. But why am I talking about this? It is this data which has led to many companies to encash this opportunity and which is now finding its way into the stock markets as well. Hello and welcome. You're watching Business Today TV. I'm Sakshi Batra, and in this video, I'm going to tell you about one upcoming IPO that is related to pornography or adult content. I'm talking about adult content streaming OTT platform Ullu Digital, which is now planning to launch an IPO. Ullu Digital has filed a draft red herring prospectus or DRHP for an initial public offering to raise about 135 to 150 crore rupees via this IPO. In case this is approved by the SEBI, Ullu could be one of the biggest SME IPOs in terms of size, in fact the biggest SME IPO in terms of the size as well. The company has also been making some serious amount of money. I will be telling you what the financials are. But Ullu Digital's founders, Vibhu Agarwal and Meghna Agarwal, they own about 95% of the shares in the company according to the DRHP. Zenith Multi-Trading DMCC has a 5% stake in Ullu according to the report. Now this OTT platform aims to use the fresh funds. This IPO is slated to be, as per the information from the DRHP, a completely fresh issue wherein they will be issuing 6,262 lakh shares, and they plan to use these fresh funds to the tune of 135 to 150 odd crore rupees to generate new content, to hire more staff and to purchase international shows as well. Now, when we talk about such financials of the company, you will be able to see that the company has been making serious amount of money when it comes to revenues and even profitability as well. Now, when we talk about the financials, over the last 3 years, we've actually seen that the financials of the company, including the profitability, has grown from 1 crores all the way up to 12.5 crores in FY23 as well. Even in terms of the revenues, the company has been making some serious amount of revenues as well, and we have seen that the company has been reporting revenues to the tune of hundreds and thousands of crores over the last few years as well. In the last 2 years particularly is when we've also seen that some of the noted IT development startup UD Solutions, they also got listed on NSE platform from the same area as well, and therefore you're actually looking at this entire OTT platform space getting buzzing in trade as well. The operating revenue for Ullu, that doubled to 93 crores in FY23 from 46.8 crores in the previous fiscal year. The profits also jumped in the same period from 3.9 crores that was seen in FY22 to about 15 crores in the reported period of FY23 as well. So that's the kind of money that this company has been making as well. Now, this is the limited information that we had about Ullu Digital IPO that could be in the offing. Now, what I want to ask you in the comment section is that would you want to be a part, or would you want to have an exposure to such a company which is betting big on adult content, which is making serious amount of money and but is related in this space? Do write to us on the comment section and let us know whether this is the kind of an IPO that you would like to have in your portfolios as well. And we will continue to get you such more information as and when more developments come through on Ullu Digital as well on our platforms.
Darwin Platform Group of Companies is one of the fastest growing diversified Indian conglomerates with global footprints. It is setting up offices globally and tying up with companies across the globe for multiple sectors. The company has ventured into real estate and construction, stockbroking and finance, arms and ammunition, mining, airlines and many other sectors. Darwin Platform Group of Companies is one of the fastest growing diversified Indian conglomerates